বন্ধুরা, আমি গোপা চক্রবর্তী গ্রিন হাউস থেকে বলছি। গ্রিন হাউসের টলিগঞ্জ ইউনিটটা অপারেশনস বন্ধ রাখলাম কিছুদিনের জন্যে। সবাইকে সাবধানে থাকতে হবে, তাই সব নিয়ম পালন করেই ওই ইউনিটটা বন্ধ রেখেছি। কিয়াতলাটা এখন অপারেশনে আছে। খুব সাবধানেই কাজ করার চেষ্টা করছি, সবাইকে বলছিও সাবধানে থাকতে। কিন্তু এগুলো নিয়ে আমাদের কাজ করে যেতে হবে। সংস্থাগুলোতে অনেক মানুষ জড়িত আমাদের, তার জন্যে আমি এসে বসে আবার আপনাদের দেখাচ্ছি। আপনারা কিছু কিছু নিয়ে অন্তত সংস্থাটা চালু রাখুন, ওরা যেন কাজ করতে পারে। অনেক লোক এতে যুক্ত আছে। থ্যাংক ইউ। 1 নম্বর মালমাল শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি। প্রচুর ডিমান্ড ছিল এই শাড়ির। ভাঁড় আর খুরির, ভাঁড় আর কেটলের শিল্পীর মনের অনেক চিন্তা ভাবনা এই শাড়িটা তৈরি। এটা যে এত সাকসেসফুল হয়েছে আমি জানতাম, এটা খুব ভালো হয়েছে, কিন্তু এতটা যে রেসপন্স পেয়েছি আমি আবার করিয়েছি। 4টে শাড়ি করে উঠতে পেরেছি। যার যার পছন্দ ছিল সেগুলো নিয়ে নেবেন। দেখুন শাড়িটা, এগুলোকে তো আমি লাইফ সেভিং ফেব্রিক বলি। এগুলো পরে মনে হচ্ছে যেন আরাম পাচ্ছি। 2100 টাকা দাম। লুক এট দিস শাড়ি, সো বিউটিফুল। পরলে আপনারা হাতে নিলে বুঝতে পারবেন আমরা কি মালমাল দিচ্ছি, কেন এটা 2100 টাকা দাম। ভীষণ ভালো কোয়ালিটি। অ্যান্ড we are giving a blouse piece also. Look at the blouse section. Look at this. This saree costs 2100 with the blouse. মলমল ছাড়া ভাবাই যায় না গরমকালে। আমার একটা কাস্টমার বেল্ট আছে, শুধু মলমল চান। নাম্বার টু রিচ ব্লু ইন কালার। দিস ইজ নট ডার্ক, এটা ব্ল্যাক নয় কিন্তু। 2100 টাকা দাম। লুক এট দ্য আঁচল পার্ট and a very smart cracked blouse piece. দেখুন, we are giving this for 2100 dear. 2100. Look at this craft. একেবারে যেন পেইন্টিং হয়েছে। this is all hand batik, wax batik. Number 3 is going for 2100. Full length saree, 6.5 meters, including the blouse section. Look at this. The saree is so colorful. The color will not run out. These are all already washed so many times. This is for 2100. And this batik, this is a very popular one from Greenhouse. It's one more batik. This has the partly work. The partly portion is done up like this, the batik section. This is a partly pallu sari. This sari costs only 1500 dear. 1500 for this sari. Complete blouse piece. And we got these sarees specially made by special request. The mull is the best of mull we have used. মলমলের একদম দারুণ ভালো। We got them printed, block prints on mull cotton. The milky white ones on mull cottons, and the blouse section. ব্লাউজটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর। Mother's Day is coming. মায়েদেরও দিতে পারেন, তাছাড়া সবাই পরতে পারে এসব শাড়ি, এত স্মার্ট লাগবে উইথ দ্যাট কন্ট্রাস্ট একটা ব্লাউজ দিয়ে পরলে। দিজ আর অল মাল কটন, গোয়িং ফর 1170 only, 1170 মাল কটন, মলমলের শাড়ি। These are all specially made. Lot of requests, so we thought we'll make sarees like this. These are all mal cotton, malmale shari. Look at the achal part, all block printed ones. 9th May is Mother's Day, aur mone hoy Mother's Day তে এই দুটো শাড়ি ডেডিকেট করাই যায়, কি সুন্দর শাড়ি। 1170 for this piece, 1170. Mother's Day collection এবার দেখাচ্ছি। Number 7, also fantastic one. The cotton sarees, pure cotton. These are all bag prints. This is going for 1500 dear. Look at this saree with a Sanskrit script or Devanagari script. The blouse section. Lovely sarees. Young mothers can always use these sarees. 1375 for number 8. 1375. The age is no criteria. যেভাবে পরবেন সবাই সবকিছু পরতে পারে। এই দেখুন, this is only for 1375 dear. Total saree effect I wanted to show. একটা খুলে দেখাও। Look at this saree. দেখুন, what a beautiful tribal effect. 1375 টাকা দাম, 1375. This saree is going for 1375. That's all. With the blouse piece. Yeah, we have our special chanderis. Lovely chanderi. Small butterflies, dekhun. It's very difficult to create this kind of butterflies, small butterflies all throughout. On chanderi. Best of chanderi. This is premium quality chanderi. Hold it tight. So beautiful. And the other half, Meena, you show the other half. So smartly done up. The blending is so very beautiful. Look at the blending. These are all batiks. It's a beautiful effect. And this premium quality chanderi with the designing, this difficult designing, that is why the price has been enhanced. This is 3900 for this, with this blouse piece, 3900 for this chanderi. Look at the quality, 3900. Another one, same type. I have liked the effect, so I thought we'll go for two of them. This design is so beautiful. Number 10. Look at the palla. And the effect, the small butterflies all being created, very difficult task. And the rest of the saree goes like this. With the BP, 3900 dear, 3900 for this piece. This we got them made again. Again and again designs have been made. Eta koto dam? This is also for 3900. You will use and find out the quality. Lovely batik, palla. These are also breathable ones. You can always use it in summer. Best for summer use. This is for 3900 with this kind of BP. 3900. The achal is so attractive. Contrast achal koreche. Look at the motif. Oof, this one. I made 4 of this type this time. So much in demand. These are all on Chanderi. With the contrast BP, the cracked ones, the cracked BP. We are very fond of cracked BPs. And this costs 3900 dear. And this shibori is on silk cotton, which is really done. This shibori is on silk cotton. This is Maheshwari. Please show the achal part. All shibori work. It's grayish blue in color. Silk cotton. This is going for 5200. ফোকাস হচ্ছে ভালো করে, আদারওয়াইজ দেখতে পাবে না। আমি না আরেকবার শো করি, let him focus it properly. 5200. And the blouse has this honeycomb design. Blouse has this, একটু দেখা, ব্লাউজের ডিজাইনটা is that honeycomb design. Oh, this green. Oh. Number 14. There is also a shibori. The niche portion ta dekho. The daman portion is so nice. They've done a beautiful work. This is on silk cotton. Silk cotton shibori is for 5200. And with this kind of BP. And my silks. Look at this silk. This is all Bishnupur silk. And look at the quality. Quality is so very nice, so flowing quality, so much. Look at the quality. 4,500 only. $4,500. Number 15 is going for 4,500 now. With the blouse section like this. Number 16. Very colorful, nice contrast. Jhalmal koche shaita. Number 16. This goes for 4,200 dear. 4,200 only. This kind of BP. Number 16 is 4,200. This is the BP. Number 17. Look at the combination of sea green with blue, very bold combination. This is going for 4,500. These are all on Vishnupur 450 gram silk. 450 gram silk with this kind of BP. This is the acid painting one. Number 18. This hand painting and this costs 4,800. Very colorful. The half of the sari goes like this. $4,800. We'll show you this Manipuri silk. This I'll give for 3,900 dear. Little discount on this. I am left with 2 pieces. 3,900 for this silk. This is very good quality. See the flow of the sari. 3,900 for number 19. 3,900 for number 19. And number 20. 20. Look at the quality. 39 each. These 2 saris are going for 3,900. These 2 saris are going for 3,900 with a contrast blouse. Very rich yellow with red. 3,900 only. Yeah, this is a special one. This is done from a very good artist. Number 21. This is on Katan silk. Oh goodness. Such a flowing sari, and the down below the daman portion, shivli full, all spread on batik. This costs 5,800. Just go through the sari nicely. Very difficult color to make. 5,800 for this sari with this kind of blouse piece. 5,800 for this rare piece. Product number 22. Spray dyeing. Zari bordered tussars. Long time I didn't show you zari bordered tussars. The color scheme. This is the blouse section. All zari bordered tussars I am giving 200 rupees less. Number 23. Tussars. Zari bordered tussar. Not discharge print. This goes for 5,400. I am giving 200 rupees less, so that I could clear my stock and get new things from the artisans. 5,200 please. And the blouse section. Oh, this is the very royal color. Look at this. If you could come and see from close, you will get the effect. It's so rich. It's so rich. This is on Gachi Toshor, zari bordered ones. Show me the other portion, rest of the portion. Yeah. If you could come, the feel is so good. You'll feel the richness if you had come. This is 5,600. Giving you flat 400 rupees off. Flat 400 rupees off on this sari. This is the richest one. It's beautiful. Product number 25. Look at the quality and the workmanship. Enjoy the sari. The batik work all throughout. This is on Gachi Toshor. The crack bordered. This is on Gachi Toshor. Blouse. Yeah, I've almost over. This is the last piece. Number 26. Very rich royal color. All throughout the flowers. and this is the blouse section. Though I feel they shouldn't have done this, you could use this blouse with other, and you can make a contrast blouse with this. So this is what I am. I have given you a lot of sarees today. So friends, take care of yourselves, and keep now telling me what you want, what you wanted. Now you just WhatsApp me. Bye for today.